Hello everyone. Previously, we had discussed about the JavaScript internationalization or Intel API. So today we'll be discussing about the uh, understanding JSON and JSONP. So let's see what is JSON and JSONP, and let's try to implement with the example. Right? JSON, uh, nothing but JavaScript object notation. Basically, it is used for the data exchange. While what is JSONP then? JSONP is nothing but JSON with padding. This enables the cross-origin requests by using script tags, right? So again, I'm telling JSON is nothing but this is JavaScript object notation. It is used for the data exchange, right? JSONP is nothing but JSON with padding, which enables the cross-origin requests by using the script tags. So let's see. Let's try to implement the same with the example. So first example, let's go with the parsing and stringifying the JSON. So I'll just quickly come here. So I'll just give here that object equals. Let me give something name. Let me set this one to Bharadwaj, and place. Let me give country. Let me set this one to within the strings. I'll just give India. So this is fine. Next, I'll just come outside. Here, I'll just give let JSON string equals JSON dot stringify of object, right? So here I hope this example is clear. I hope this is clear till here. Let's try to log something. I'll just give here console log of let's parse. I'll just make use of the JSON dot parse of the JSON string we have made use of, right? I'll just give here JSON string. So if I try running the code, I am getting the output name Bharadwaj and country India, right? So basically what we are doing here is we are converting the objects to JSON strings and back to objects finally. So again I'm telling we are converting the objects to JSON string and finally back to objects, right? This is it for the parsing and stringifying the JSON. Next, let's see the JSONP implementation, the second example. So here I'll show this one in the online compiler itself, whatever I'm using now. Try to implement the same. I'll not get the output. Try to implement the same using VS Code and the browser. You can just see the output. Do as I say. You can just see the this one output. So I'll just consider here, just within the script tag, I'll just give here function callback of some data, right? So here let's log something. So I'll just log, in my case, uh received, something like that, right? Also, let's pass the data here. So next, let's close the script. Do this one in the this one itself, HTML file itself. Create an HTML file. So I hope in the VS Code, within the script tag, just give this one, and also just take here script tag, and within the src you can consider any API, this one call. You can just do any API call, right? So basically what we are doing here is example. I'll just give here example API URL. So give any URL over here, right? So let's close this one script tag as well. So just include this one in this one index.html itself. You can just consider any, there are many free APIs available, right? This one dummy API is available. You can just consider any JSON placeholder or any other API URL that is for free. See, you can just include any this one free dummy API here. So next, I'll quickly explain what we have done here. So the server basically wraps the JSON in a function call, enabling the cross-origin data fetching. You can just see in the browser console. So you'll just get the output received along with the data, right? That's what we are passing here. So do as I say, just create the index.html file, and within that one include this one here. Include any URL. It may be any URL, any free dummy URL. You can just include, and you can just check in the console. You will get in the browser console. You will see receive along with the data. So basically, what this is doing, the server wraps the JSON in a function call, enabling cross-origin data fetching, right? I hope the concept of Jsonp and JSON is completely clear. So now we are done with we are done with JSON and Jsonp concept, right? Next we will be discussing on. mm, let's do one thing. Just give me a second here. Yeah. Next, let's discuss on the intersection observer API, right? So I hope this is clear till here, right? For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.